주문을 걸어 맘을 boom I can do 네 이름을 후
First, go to YouTube and search the video you want to get some clips. Click the video that have a good quality for good edit. Full screen, then set it to the highest resolution. 2160p. Screen record from the start till the end, or just screen record clips you want. You can also download the full video if you have a downloader. Back and screen record the other video but the same sound. If you're done saving the two video, go to CapCut. Add new project, then add the two video. Change the format to 9:16. Find the scene you want. Split to the clip. Delete. Split to the scene you want and delete the right side clip, because we will add another video for transition. Adjust the first clip to 5.6. Adjust it to the left side of your screen. If you adjust to the right, adjust to the left and make sure that it's 5.6. Zoom out. Split to the clip, same position of the position in the first clip. Delete the previous clip cause we don't need it, then rotate the clip. Zoom it or adjust the video, depends on what you want. Mute all clips if your video have a sound. Split and delete excess. Change the speed to 0.4 to make your video slow-mo. Adjust the second clip to 1.3 duration. Check if it's smooth. Click the box between the two clips to add transitions. Click Mix and adjust duration to 0.2. Export it if you're satisfied to its smoothness. Back. Delete clips, then add the video that we exported. Add audio. Back, then new project. Then add to video like we did earlier. Set the format to 9:16. Like we did earlier, find the moment you want. Split then adjust to 1.8. The true duration of the clip is on the screen and what I said, because I re-edited it and it's more smoother. Delete, then find the same position on the second video. Split and delete the left side clip. Zoom then adjust. Adjust till it becomes smooth. Click the second clip then adjust the speed to 0.4. Adjust and check if it's smooth. If it's already smooth, add transitions. Mix, then 0.2. Split then adjust to 1.8. Then export. Go back then add this to our main project. Then add transitions. Camera. Then click pull out. Go back then work for the next clip. Same process like what we did earlier. But this time the duration of our two clips is 2.3 and 1.2. If it's smooth, export it. Add it to our main video, then add transitions. Camera, then pull out. Back again, then do the next clip. Same process, but the duration is 2.5 and 1.8. Now add to effect. Blur from basic. And neon from comic. Export it, then delete the effect. Add it as an overlay. Splice and dodge, then adjust the opacity. Now export it. Thank you for watching.
Oh, I don't even know. Oh, the shoe.